Hey guys, welcome to another weekly gold XAUUSD price prediction video. In this video, we will analyze the gold chart on the basis of price action, and we will also discuss the important fundamental factors that currently affecting the gold movement. So let's start with the COT report first. So this is the COT report that currently we have for this week, and we are looking at the managed money, this one, the managed money, or you can say the smart money managers. So we will discuss the positions, the change in position. So as you can see in this latest COT report, you can see in the long contract this time you can see some positive increment. So you can see if you are following the COT report, or you are following the videos and the post that I shared in Telegram channel also, you can see that this time the long contacts are increasing compared to the previous COT report. So this green numbers over here means that the smart money managers are adding money in the long contracts, and this time they have added 2484 contracts, and in the short contract you can see they are pulling from their short position, or you can say they are covering their position from the short contract. So they have you can see clearly see from this report that they adding money in the long and pulling money from the short contract. And in the chart you can also see over here, you can see this long, the blue one is the long contract and the brownish one is the short. So you can see this time we have some increase in the net long position, and we can see that we have some minor decrease in the short positions. So the sentiments from the COT report shows a bullish view, and we can say this is a bullish sentiment from the COT report. And if we look over to the gold future volume and open interest chart over this screen, you can see in the left side we have the net volume, and in the right side we have the total open interest. And this time you can see we have a big change, or you can say the big increase or increment in the net open interest positions. So whenever this is a assumption, and you can consider this like whenever there is a change in the trend, like whenever if the trend is in uptrend and there is a change in uptrend in positive side like this one, so this indicate that there is you can say continuation in trend is likely to happen. So if the trend is positive and the OI is also increasing, this indicate that the current trend might you can say might continue for coming trading sessions. So this is the view on the open interest and on the COT reports. So let's check the chart. And on the chart, so this is the 30-minute chart, you can see from here. And in yesterday trading session, this is the 30-minute chart. We can see that in the Friday morning session or Asian session, gold price were initially, you can say, declining. You can see from here declining due to a rising yield on government bond, and this decline continue in London session also. And we have seen very volatile movement during the inflation data time, and gold erased losses as investor assessed the economic outcome, and gold received a new boost after University of Michigan survey showed US consumer confidence plunged to a record low in early June, and we have seen a good, you can say, bounce of price from this low. We already discussed that the level of 1828 and 23 previously was acting as a support, and this support this time also acted very well and hold the price, and we have seen a good bullish run from this price. So what are the possible move that we can consider for upcoming trading session, and what are the levels? So as you can see, this is the support, and from this support we have seen a good boost of price. And in the price level of 1860, we already discussed that this level is also a good support. So from the current current price, the level of 1860 is the level that currently acting as support that we have to keep in mind. And if gold able to maintain this bullish run, then the next resistance over to the higher price is the level of 1890 and the psychological barrier of 1900. So we have to wait how price react in the live trading session, and we will discuss those level in Telegram channel. So in the upside we have the 1890 that we have to look for, and the level of 1900, and in the bottom currently the 1860 is the major support, and the level of 1850 is also a good support. So this is the scenario on 30-minute, and let's just keep it simple. And if we look over to the 4-hour time frame, you can see that we have tested this level in previous trading sessions also, and you can see this is currently acting as a resistance. So if gold is able to break out, then we can look for buy. But if we see some rejection, which is not going to happen from my view, because we have seen a good bounce and gold is going to maintain this move from my view, and we can have test to 1890. But if gold is able to break down to 1860, then we can have further decline. But as we have seen a good bounce from this price level, so gold might you can say the gold buyer might defend this zone, and we can have further bounce of price from this level. So this is the scenario on 4-hour, and on the daily chart you can see that we have a good bullish move, and this is a bullish candle on daily chart. And on weekly you can see we have a good rejection, and this is also indicating a bullish move. So this is the scenario on price action, or you can say on different time frame. So we will discuss these level and the movement in live sessions in Telegram channel also. So good luck.